class, it's time for Attention Autism. First, it's bucket. Then it's coughing. Coughing. First bucket, then coughing. I've got something in my bucket, in my bucket, in my bucket. I've got something in my bucket, I wonder what it is. What's this? Ooh, it's a slinky. Slinky, very nice. Ready? Whoop. Down. Ready, steady, down. Oh, bye-bye, Slinky. Oh, what's this? It's an aeroplane. Turning, turning. Ready, steady. Oh, off it goes. One more time. Turning, turning, turning. Spinning around, flip, flip. Wow. Flip, flip. Finished. Ooh, what's this? Turning. Wow. Bubbles falling. Bubbles falling. Finished. Bucket has finished. Now, coughing. Coughing. Tissue. Coughing. Sheet. Mr. Tumble. Cow. Moo. Old MacDonald. Ooh. Shake, 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 shake. Mr. Tumble is coughing. Oh, big mess from Mr. Tumble. Cow is coughing. Mr. Old MacDonald is coughing. Coughing. Tissue. Now Mr. Tumble has a tissue. Coughing. Coughing on tissue. Put it in the bin. Cow is coughing. Tissue in the bin. Old MacDonald is coughing. Tissue in the bin. Coughing has finished. Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble. Bye-bye, cow. Bye-bye, Old MacDonald. Coughing has finished. Attention, autism has finished.